Well, it's the Modi government who's now facing some uncomfortable questions. Why was Governor Beniwal sacked? On what grounds? The opposition is alleging a political vendetta. Kamala Beniwal has had long-standing differences with Narendra Modi when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, and the government has accused her of gross impropriety. The specific charges are reportedly listed in a dossier sent to the President.
Guilty of gross impropriety, as sources say the government has said in its file to the President recommending her sacking, or is Mizoram Governor Kamala Beniwal a victim of vendetta? While many in the opposition say it is downright unconstitutional, some are objecting to the manner in which the 87-year-old was treated. First transferred from Gujarat to Mizoram last month and then sacked just 2 months before her term was to end.
It is illegal, it is unconstitutional, and I think it smacks of political vendetta.
This is a clear-cut violation of Supreme Court judgment.
In 2004, when the UPA government had sacked 4 NDA governors, BJP leader Singhal had challenged it, and the Supreme Court said governors could not be removed just because they weren't in sync with the government at the centre, but only if there was proven misconduct or other irregularities. The BJP feels it has the grounds.
Action is taken within the rules, within the constitution.
While no official reason has been given for Beniwal's removal, sources say the government's advice to the President accused her of gross impropriety for being in Mizoram for just 1 day since she took over as governor, filing a false affidavit to get cheap land meant for farmers. But so far there is no FIR or probe underway in the case. Beniwal has also been accused of using official aircraft for visits to her home state. But according to the protocol, to be able to use state aircraft, she would have had to inform and get clearance from the state government.
Suppose she accepts this, then the matter rests there. Suppose she takes it to a court of law, then court will examine all these issues.
But the strained history Beniwal has had with Modi is undeniable. They have clashed over the appointment of the Gujarat Lokayukta. Beniwal made an appointment without the Modi government's consent. And then when the state government passed a Lokayukta bill to override her decision, she sent back the bill to the assembly.
The sacking of Beniwal raises question about others too, like Sheila Dikshit. The former Chief Minister of Delhi was appointed by the Congress, and against her too there are allegations of wrongdoing in the Commonwealth Games. In Jaipur with Harsha Kumari Singh, and in New Delhi with Sunil Prabhu and Arunachalam Vaidyanathan, Sudhiranjan Sen for NDTV.